Today, Governor Ron DeSantis announced a massive package of proposed laws that would beef up penalties for violent protests like those seen in cities across America this summer, including here in Jacksonville. The governor says while peaceful protesting is your right, he will not allow violence in Florida. The proposals would make it a crime to obstruct traffic and shield drivers from liability if they hit a protester trying to get to safety. It would also stiffen penalties for attacking officers during protests and allow the state to block funding for cities that defund police departments.
So what it will be is if you have a tough budget year and you do cuts, it is what it is. But if you single out disproportionately reducing law enforcement or cutting back law enforcement funding, that's when this would detach.